Welcome to all. I am P. Manivannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy. In this video, we discuss the topic roots of a polynomial for the BE Computer Science students, 5th semester paper, MA 8551 Algebra and Number Theory, Unit number 2, Finite Field and Polynomials. Roots of a polynomial. Let R be a ring with unity U and let f of x belongs to R of x with a degree is greater than or equal to 1. The polynomial degree is greater than or equal to 1. If R is a number belongs to R and f of R equal to 0, f of R equal to 0. If we put R in the value for x, then we get the 0 of the polynomial ring. Then R is called the root of the polynomial f of x. Here Z is the additive identity of R. Or simply let R be a ring with the identity 1. Let f of x be this polynomial whose coefficient a0, a1, a2, etc. an R belongs to capital R. It is polynomial, so it is belongs to R of x, whose coefficients must be belongs to this ring R, which degree is greater than or equal to 1. That means n greater than or equal to 1. Okay, an element a belongs to R is called the root of f of x if an element is called a root, then f of a equal to 0. That means a0 replace x by a, so a1 a plus a2 a square plus etc. an a power n is equal to 0. That is f of a equal to 0, then a is the root of f of x. It is the definition for the root. It be a 2-mark question. Define root of a polynomial. Okay, then we move to the examples. First example, find the root of the polynomial x squared minus 2 over the real number r. Here over the ring is R. So its roots must lie in the ring R, real number R. Now f of x equal to x squared minus 2 belongs to R of x. So x squared minus 2 equal to 0, which implies x squared equal to 2. So x equal to plus or minus root 2. X equal to plus or minus root 2. If we put x in terms of in the place of x, so root 2 whole square minus 2 equal to 0, and also it is equal to minus root 2 the whole square minus 2. So hence f of x has minus root 2 and plus root 2 as roots. These two values lies in the real number r. So it has the roots over the real number r. This is the recorded roots. In addition, the f of x can be rewritten as x minus root 2 into x plus root 2, with x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are belongs to this polynomial ring. So if the polynomial have the roots, then we write the polynomial as a factors. These are the factors. Okay. This topic is covered in the next video. Now, however, if we regard f of x as an element of q of x, the coefficient be q. Here 1, here is minus 2, so it is belongs to q. So this polynomial belongs to q of x, but no roots in q, since this equation is satisfied only with root 1 minus root 2. These two values are irrational numbers, not the rational numbers. So this polynomial over R. So here, if this polynomial is q of x, then this polynomial have no roots over the q, over q, since it is irrational numbers. So the existence of the roots of a polynomial is depending on the underlying ring of coefficients. Same polynomial roots lie in real numbers, but same polynomial no roots lie in the rational numbers and also integers and also natural numbers. Okay, the next example, find the roots of the polynomial f of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 belongs to z6 of x. Here the coefficients 1, 3, 2 are belongs to z6. So this polynomial belongs to z6 of x. It is correct. Okay, so our aim is to find the roots of this polynomial. Here given this f of x. What is z6? Z6 is the collection of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 congruence modulo classes by writing A as A, congruent modulo A as A. Now we put x by 0. So f of 0 equal to 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 0 plus 2 equal to 2. It is not equal to 0. So 0 is not a root. 0 is not a root. Now f of 1 equal to, so 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here is at 6. So this answer divided by 6 is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0 mod 6. So it is equal to 0. F of 1 equal to 0. So 1 is a root of f of x. 1 is a root of f of x. Similarly, f of 2 equal to 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 12. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 equal to 0. So 2 is also a root. F of 3 equal to 20, 20 by 6, the remainder is 2, not equal to 0. So it is not a root. Then f of 4 equal to 30, 30 is divided by 6 is equal to the remainder is 0. So 4 is a root. 5, 5 the value be 25 plus 15, 40 plus 2, 42 divided by 6 is 0. So 5 is a root. Hence f of x has 4 roots. What are the roots? 1 is a root, 2 is a root, 4 is a root, 5 is a root. Therefore, this polynomial have the roots 1, 2, 4, 5. So this polynomial has 4 roots. This polynomial degree is 2, but it has 4 roots. Since here the underlying ring is at 6. So it is possible. Now the next example. This is more than expected. In our prior experience, a polynomial of degree 2 had at most 2 roots, but here it is not true for the polynomial rings. Okay. Third example, find all the roots of f of x equal to x square plus 4x in z12 of x. This is November December 2019 2-mark question. F of x equal to x square plus 4x. Last to z12 of x. What is z12 divided to 11? Now f of 0. So we check each and every term 0 to 11 be a root or not. So we find these 12 possibilities 0 to 11. So 12 possibilities we check out. First f of 0 equal to 0. So 0 is a root. Similarly 1 equal to 1 square plus 4 into 1. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5 is not equal to 0. Therefore 1 is not a root. Then f of 2. 2 square plus 4 into 2. So 12. 12 by 12 is 0. Therefore 2 is a root. For 3. 3 square plus 4 into 3. So 9 plus 12, 21. 21 is not equal to 0 since 21 is not a multiple of 12. So it is not equal to 0. 21 equal to 21 but 12 equal to 9. So 3 is not a root. Similarly, f of 4 equal to 32, it is equal to 8. So 8 not equal to 0, 4 is not a root. Then f of 5 equal to 45 equal to 9, it is not equal to 0. Hence, therefore, 5 is not a root. F of 6 equal to 6 square plus 4 into 6 equal to 60 equal to 0. Therefore, 60 is a root. 60 divided by 12 equal to 0. Therefore, 6 is a root. Similarly, f of 7 equal to 77 equivalent to 5 not equal to 0. Therefore, 7 is not a root. F of 8 equal to 96 divided by 12 equal to 0. Therefore, 8 is a root. F of 9 equal to 9 square plus 4, 4 into 9 equal to 81 plus 36 equal to 117, 117 equal to 9 mod 12, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, 9 is not a root. F of 10 equal to 140 equal to 8 not equal to 0. Therefore, 10 is not a root. F of 11 equal to 165 is equivalent to 9 not equal to 0. Therefore, 11 is not a root. Hence, what are the roots? 0 is a root, 2 is a root, 6 is a root, 8 is a root. Therefore, 0, 2, 6, 8 are the roots of f of x over the ring Z12. Okay. It is the second degree polynomial. It has 4 roots over the polynomial ring Z12 of x. Exercise. Do it as a homework. F of x equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 6 in Z7 of x. The roots are 1, 3, 5, 6 in Z7. And also check these roots. The next one example. Determine all the polynomials of degree 2 in Z2 of x. What are the all polynomials whose degree is 2? So we have to find all the polynomials of degree 2 over Z2. What is Z2? Z2 is the set 0 and 1. Congruence modulo classes 0 and 1. Therefore, the general polynomial of degree 2 is f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square, which is and a2 is not equal to 0. If a2 equal to 0, then it is not an degree 2 polynomial. So a2 must be not equal to 0. Therefore, a2 is not equal to 0 implies a2 equal to 1. Therefore, f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus x square. So a0 plus a1x plus x square. Here we put the values for a0 and a1 from the set 0 and 1. Therefore, a0 have two possibilities, a1 have two possibilities. Therefore, 2 into 2, 4 possibilities are there. Now, if we put a0 equal to 0, a1 equal to 0, then the polynomial will be a0 0, a1 0. Therefore, f of x equal to x square. It is a one polynomial. If a0 equal to 0, a1 equal to 1, then it is 0, it is 1. Therefore, f of x equal to x plus x square. Then, if a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to 0. a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to 0. a0 is 1, a1 is 0. Therefore, 1 plus x square. If the fourth condition, a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to 1, then f of x equal to 1 plus x square. These are the polynomials of degree 2 in this polynomial ring. Then next example. How many polynomials are there of degree 2 in z11 of x, and also find the how many degree 3, how many degree 4, and how many degree of polynomial degree n. What are the possibilities? Let the polynomial of degree 2 is f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square, such that a2 is not equal to 0. What is z11? What is z11? 0, 1, 2 up to 10. Here the coefficients a0, a1, a2 are lies in the z11 with the condition a2 is not equal to 0. a2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, a2 have the only 10 possibilities. What are the 10 possibilities? 1 to 10. Since a2 is not equal to 0. Now, from the above polynomial, we find that there are how many possibilities for a0? A0 have any number in this set. So, there are 11 possibilities for a0. Similarly, 11 possibilities for a1. But a2 have only 10 possibilities since a2 is not equal to 0. If a2 equal to 0, then it is not an degree 2 polynomial. So, a2 must not have the value 0. So, a2 have only 10 possibilities. Hence, the number of polynomials of degree 2 is, we multiply the all possibilities values. Therefore, it is equivalent to 11 into 11 into 10. It is equal to 11 square into 10 or 10 into 11 square. Hence, all the polynomial of degree 2 is this value. Of degree 3. What is the possibilities of degree 3? It is f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube. a3 is not equal to 0. a3 is not equal to 0. For a0 is 11, a1 is 11, a2 is 11, a3 is 10. Since a3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, how many polynomials? 11 into 11 into 11 into 10. So 10 into 11 cube. Similarly, for n, we have a0 is 11 possibilities, a1 is 11 possibilities, a2 is 11 possibilities, an minus 1 is 11 possibilities, but an have the only 10 possibilities. Here 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. So these are n possibilities, n times 11 possibilities. Therefore, the number of polynomials is 11 into 11 into 11 up to n times into 10. It is equivalent to 11 power n into 10. So 10 into 11 power n. Thank you.